Hi guys, in this session I'm going to explain you what is addition, subtraction, multiplication, all these arithmetic operations performed with the numbers. So just try to print 2 into 2 plus 3. What we got as a output? 5. Then print 3 minus 2. 3 minus 2. What we got as a output? 1. Print 3 into 2. What is the output? 6 we are getting. Okay, print 3 by 2. 3 divided by 2. What we got as a output? 1.5. Here is the one major important point you have to remember. 3 is a integer, 2 is a integer, but we get a result 1.5. 1.5 is a floating point. Here 1.5 is a floating point. Okay, for integer division we can get a floating point as a result. And if you want a integer division, you have to use this operand operator, not operand, operator. Here 5 is a operand, 2 is a operand. This is called operator. Okay, doing. If we run, we got a 2 as a result, as a output. So we understood that this is the integer division. If we want a remainder, okay, what is the remainder? 1 is the remainder we got. Until now, there is a small arithmetic operations we understood. It is very simple. It is like a calculator. Python working as a calculator. This 5 by 2, 3 by 2, 3 into 2, 3 minus 2, 2 plus 3. All these are called expressions. Here 2 is operand, 3 is operand, plus is the operator. So we have to remember like this. This is the expression. These are operands. This is the operator. Okay. Little more complicated I want to do. If we do some arithmetic operation, we want a result as we expected, but Python will give you some other output. Just check it out. So I'm expecting result would be 10, but what happens? Check it out. We are getting minus 26. Even that is also floating point 1 number. So why this is happening? Actually, what we will do when we are doing a calculation, we will start from the left to right and we will do calculating step by step. 4 minus 3, then 3 into 5, then 5 by 2 by 2 into 4. This is the left to right. We will do some operations we will do. So as a result, we expected 10, but it is not happening. So there is a concept called operator precedence. I will explain you operator precedence in next session. Please wait for that. You will understand more things that what happens actually in the background.